Hey y'all, Chris here with Tullson Safe Restorations. What I'm doing right now is I'm finishing up this cannonball, and the door has to be perfectly aligned in order for it to open and close. Now what happened with this one was this one was actually dropped and both hinges were broken. The casting's broken half, and the client brought it to us because we're capable of re-welding and fixing the castings. And I also have a forge, and we pour new castings as well here in the shop. So we were able to fix these and make it stronger than what it was before. And so the door closes like it should and locks into place. These close with such a tight tolerance, it's pretty impressive. A lot of these cannonballs were actually made before electricity. So the fact that they were able to make them close that tight and that precise, you can't even fit a piece of paper in this gap here. So the door has to be well balanced in order for it to open and close. It weighs over 400 pounds and you're able to open it with one hand nice and smooth. So yeah, all right, stay tuned for more, and thanks for watching Tullson Safe Restorations. Until next time, like, follow.